What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged.
The other day, the little lady and I were at Aldi, and I must admit, most of the time when I go into Aldi, I don't buy anything. But this time I did, by the direction of a little lady. She's seen this in the frozen food section. It says ultra thin crust Bulgogi Korean style pizza. Or should I say Korean style bulgogi. I always have a hard time saying pizza. Yeah, she picked the frozen pizza out. Wasn't me. Ultra thin crust topped with Korean bulgogi inspired sauce, bread, beef crumbles, whole milk mozzarella cheese, sliced mushrooms, broccoli, and roasted red onions. And it also comes with some bioengineered product. I already have it in the oven actually. Total cooking time is 12 minutes. In the middle rack, no pan, just bare on the rack. And that's at 425 degrees. She done. We're gonna get this pizza out using the Change More pizza peel. But before I do that, let me say this. One portion is 280 calories. A portion is 1/3 of the pizza. If you eat the whole pizza, it's 850 calories. What's wrong with this math? I don't want to drop that one. Ultra thin. COZZI'S ultra thin crust Korean style bulgogi pizza. COZZI'S. Here we go. One more. Number one, it's not pizza. Well, it is, but it isn't. Little lady might like it. Me, I would never buy it again. It won't go to waste, but I will give this a 1.0 pepperonis. The good news is, it gives me a reason to jump into a Fagel bubble pop.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Well, it certainly was an experience. And it's a good one because I got to share it all with you, the best subscribers on YouTube and Rumble.